In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a picture freely anywhere in Google Docs. At first glance, Google Docs might seem like a simple text processing tool, but it has robust image manipulation capabilities that allow you to customize your documents extensively. Let's dive in and explore how you can have complete control over picture placement in your documents. To get started, open up a Google Docs document where you want to insert your image. If you haven't already done it, click on Insert at the top menu, select Image, and choose how you'd like to upload your picture. You have various options here, such as uploading from your computer, using a URL, or selecting from Google Drive or Google Photos. Once you've inserted your image, it's time to learn how to move it around freely. By default, Google Docs might anchor your picture to a specific line of text. To change that, click on your image to select it. You should see a menu appear directly below it with a few icons. These icons represent different text wrapping and positioning options. What we're interested in today is the wrap text option, which allows your image to sit comfortably alongside the text. Click on it to enable wrapping and give you more freedom to reposition your image. Now that you've enabled text wrapping, you can click and drag your image across the page to wherever you prefer. You'll notice that as you're moving the picture, it's no longer restricted to specific lines of text. Instead, you can place it virtually anywhere on the page. This flexibility is great for customizing layouts to better present your information. For even more precise control, after placing the image, click on the Image Options button. This will open a side panel where you can adjust a few more settings, such as size, rotation, and position. Adjusting these settings allows you to fine-tune exactly how your picture integrates into your document. For example, under Size and Rotation, you can enter specific dimensions or rotate the image to fit your layout needs perfectly. Ensure the lock aspect ratio is unchecked if you need to stretch or compress your image in a particular way. Lastly, remember that if you need to push the image behind the text or bring it in front of specific text, you can select Break Text from the initial image menu. This option gives your image its own line and can be moved in closer proximity to specific areas of interest without disrupting the flow of text around it. And that's it! Now you're all set to move a picture freely anywhere in Google Docs, effectively turning your document into a personalized canvas. Play around with these tools and options until you find a look that meets your exacting standards. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you make the most out of your Google Docs experience.